Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 5008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this car comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, there's full LED headlights, a black roof and tinted rear windows. You also get front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car there's half leather interior. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And on top of this there's dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control, smartphone charging plate. There's also some great safety features including lane keeping assistance, blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. This car's got a 1.6 litre petrol engine that gives you 165 horsepower. There's a 6-speed automatic gearbox. The car's done under 14,500 miles. And if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.